Welcome to Mathematics. This is Saritha. Today we will discuss some special results in algebra. The result 1. Okay. Sometimes we will get in the question that is x plus 1 by x is equal to k. Then how to calculate x square plus 1 by x square. See what we have to do. So we have to squaring on both sides, which is nothing but x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to k square, isn't it? And it is looking like a plus b whole square. Now you expand it like a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? A square plus 2 into a into b plus b square, which is nothing but 1 by x whole square is equal to k square. And this x gets cancelled, and if you simplify this 1 by x square and you take this 2 this side, which is nothing but k square minus 2. So you can use this result whenever we get a question that x plus 1 by x is equal to some 5. Okay. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 is given. Then there you need to find out x square plus 1 by x square. You simply substitute 5 in place of k. You will get the answer for this. So you can use this result, which is nothing but x square plus 1 by x square is equal to k square minus 2. Okay. This is the result 1. Result 2 is whenever we get in a question that x minus 1 by x is equal to k, then what is x square plus 1 by x square? Now squaring it on both sides, it is looking like a minus b whole square, which is equal to k square, isn't it? If you simplify this, x square plus 1 by x square minus 2ab, right? So if you cancel this x and take this 2 that side, which is nothing but x square plus 1 by x square is equal to k square plus 2. If x minus 1 by x is equal to k is given, then if you want to find out x square plus 1 by x square, you should remember this result, which is nothing but k square plus 2. You can substitute in place of k the given value. If x minus 1 by x is equal to 3, then you substitute that 3 in place of k, you will get simply t square plus 2, which is 9 plus 2, 11. Okay, so that in that way we can calculate. This is the result 2. Result 3. If x plus 1 by x is equal to k is given, then we need to find x cube plus 1 by x cube. How to simplify this? As this is cubing on both sides, what happens? Which is nothing but 1 by x plus 1 by x whole cube is equal to k cube, isn't it? You can expand this in the terms of a plus b whole cube, right? So what is that? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, isn't it? And which is equal to k cube. We know very well this x plus 1 by x is equal to k. You substitute that here, x cube plus 1 by x cube, which is plus x gets cancelled, 3 into x plus 1 by x is equal to k, right? So which is equal to k cube. Now x cube plus 1 by x cube, which is equal to k cube minus 3k. So if we know the value of k here, we can find out the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube, which is equal to k cube minus 3k. Okay. Our next result 4 is if x minus 1 by x is equal to k is given. Then you need to find x cube minus 1 by x cube. How to calculate? You cubing it on both sides. We will get is equal to k cube. So, which is nothing but x cube minus 1 by x cube plus 3 into x into 1 by x and x minus 1 by x, which is equal to k cube. So this is the expansion of a minus b whole cube. A cube plus 3ab into a minus b cube. And if you simplify this, x cube minus 1 by x cube, x gets cancelled, and we can replace this k in place of x minus 1 by x, which is simply 3k is equal to k cube. So x cube minus 1 by x cube, which is equal to k cube minus 3k. So this result we can use if x minus 1 by x is equal to k is given. You can find out x cube minus 1 by x cube by simply substituting the value of k in place of this, okay, which is k cube minus 3k. Our next result is if x square plus 1 by x square is equal to k is given, then we need to find x plus 1 by x. Here square is given, we have to find x plus 1 by x. So what we have to do? We add and subtract 2ab, means 2 times of x into 1 by x. You add and subtract this term. So value doesn't change, right? Which is equal to k. And you can write this as a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? You can write it as a plus b whole square, right? So in place of b we have 1 by x, in place of a we have x. So we can write it as a x plus 1 by x whole square, and x gets cancelled, minus 2 is equal to k. So x plus 1 by x is equal to k plus 2. So x plus 1 by x is equal to under root of k plus 2. So this result you can use if x square plus 1 by x square is equal to k is given. Okay, x plus 1 by x is equal to under root of k plus 2. And if x square plus 1 by x square is equal to k is given, then you need to find x minus 1 by x. In the previous result, we have find out x plus 1 by x. But in this result, we are going to find x minus 1 by x. Okay. So, similar, what we have to do? We have to add and subtract 2ab term. Okay. 2 into x into 1 by x. As we need x minus 1 by x, I am taking these three terms. Okay. So, from this we can write x minus 1 by x, a minus b whole square. Okay. A square plus b square minus 2ab, right? So, from this we can write a minus b whole square form, and plus 2 x gets cancelled is equal to k. So, which is nothing but x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to k minus 2, which is x minus 1 by x is equal to under root of k minus 2. Okay. If x square plus 1 by x square is equal to k is given, if you want to find out x minus 1 by x, there you can use this result, which is nothing but x minus 1 by x is equal to under root of k minus 2. If you know the value of k, you can simply substitute in this, get the answer. Okay. So in the previous result, we have seen that if x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, then we have found out what x square plus 1 by x square value. So if you want to find out the value of x cube plus x plus 1, then how can we calculate? So what we have to simplify this, find the value of x, then you substitute in this expression, we will get the answer. So how can we simplify this? This x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. You simply simplify this, x into x square plus 1 is equal to 2x, right? So which is nothing but x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So it looks like a minus b whole square. See, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So which is nothing but x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So whenever in the question x plus 1 by x is equal to 2 is given, there you have to remember that the value of x is always equal to 1. If we know the value of x, we can substitute this in the given expression, then we will get the answer. So what is the answer for this? 1 cube 1 cube plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. This is the answer. if the question is given like this, m plus 1 by m minus 2 is equal to 4, then how to calculate m cube plus m square plus m plus 1 is equal to? Okay, so if we get the expression like this, okay, what we have to do? We have to convert this equation into the form that x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. So where if we convert this into x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, there we know that the value of x is always equal to 1. So you try to convert it. How to do that? So right side we should get value 2. So for that we have to subtract 2 from both LHS and RHS. So we'll do that. We are subtracting 2 from both LHS and RHS, which is nothing but m minus 2 plus 1 by m minus 2, which is equal to 4 minus 2. Okay, so this m minus 2 plus 1 by m minus 2, which is equal to 2. Now how it is looking like? It is looking like x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. So we know the result that if x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, the value of x is equal to 1. But we have m minus 2 in place of x. So how m minus 2 will be equal to 1, right? So if x is equal to 1, in the place of x we have m minus 2. So what happens, which is m minus 2 is equal to 1, and what is the value of m, which is simply 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. So we got the value of m now. If you substitute this value in the given expression, we can find out this value, isn't it? See, you substitute m is equal to 3 in this expression. 3 cube plus 3 square plus 3 plus 1, which is 27 plus 9 plus 4, 640. So the value is 40. Okay. So this is how we can calculate the value of this expression. So what all you need to do is, if we know that we can convert this expression into the form of x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, you should try. If it is not possible to convert it into the form of x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, then you can try in some other methods. Okay. See, in the previous case, you remember that result that x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, then you should remember that x is always equal to 1. So if in the question x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 2 is given, now you simplify this. What happens? X square plus 1, which is equal to minus 2x. Okay, which is x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So which is looking like a plus b whole square, that is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1. See, if x plus 1 by x is equal to 2 is given, then there we got x value as a 1. If x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 2 is given, here we got the value of x as a minus 1. So you remember this result, and from this you can calculate any type of expression. X plus 1 by x is equal to minus 2. Then the question is, find out the value of 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4. Now what you have to do? You simply substitute this x is equal to minus 1 in place of this x. Okay. In this expression, which is simply minus 1 whole square is 1, minus 1 whole cube is minus 1, and minus 1 whole power 4 is 1. Simply minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled, which is equal to 1. Okay, this is how we can calculate value of expression if x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 2 is given. So what you need to remember, if x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, then x is equal to 1. If x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 2, then x is equal to minus 1. Okay, you remember these two results are very helpful. Okay, we will find some more results in this.